Yeah, good morning everyone. This is my vlog. Stay tuned, like, share, and subscribe. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Time check, 4:14. The weather for today is about 14 degrees. Oh, today is Monday, 12th of May. Ayan. Kahapon nagdiwang kami ng mothering presentation, mothering service. Yeah. For the it's different kasi yung yung mother yung sineselebrate dito sa UK ng Mother's Day is different from Philippines. So since kami mga Pilipino, kaya celebrate din kami ng gantong buwan, same as sa Philippines. Yung kaya yung yung dito sa UK na na mothering service is ginaganap ay sa Croydon for international service. So ayun, kaya Pilipino tayo, kaya ayan, this is the way. See you when I see you, and see you after 15 minutes walk and 1 bus. Medyo na late ang labas ko, kaya bilis na natin ang paglalakad, everyone. Ayun, bye at the moment. Ganon.
Lubos na sa akin.
Kain
Yung
tayo.
matagal na pala na lumamig na pala na hindi mo naalis yung balat, hindi na naalis yung mahirap na balat.
Madikit.
Ako rin, kinakain ko na rin pati balat.
Hello everyone, good morning. Time check, it's already 9:03. So I'm living in this area. I'm going to take my train train. I'm gonna take my bus 70 and then change to 9. I'm going to Hammersmith, everyone. Ayun lang. Bye at the moment. Walang bago. Trabaho lang. Trabaho and bahay, and meron akong aayusin lang dito sa Hammersmith. And that's it everyone. See you later. Tapos mag-train din Circle Line sa Hammersmith pa rin. So, ayun lang everyone. Fix ko ang aking dinadaanan ay ang mga tanim dito sa library. In 2 years, wala namang nabago dahil dati akong dyan nag-work sa level 1 library, but no, I'm in the Sheffield, and that's it. Just same company but different supervisors now. $70 going to High Street, Kensington Road. Baker Street. Bayan. Going home. Diyan tayo. So, ready here. Mag-top up tayo. Okay. Ayan. Bye at the moment. See you later at the house. Ayan, everyone, it's already 11:40. So, hindi ako kumain kagabi dahil nakatulog na ako. So, bawi tayo ngayon, tanghalian. Meron pang leftover kagabi. Ayan, oh, taray, di ba? Ayan lang, bye-bye. Good night. Mamaya pa lang good night. Mamaya ang good night. At may nakasalang akong nilalaban sa baba. So, ayun, awa ng Diyos yung inayos ko sa Hammersmith ay okay now. They said it's an what do you call that? Electronics error. Di wow. Di ba? Thank God. See you again later after ng nap time ko. Good afternoon everyone. It's 3:17. So, ang init. Grabe. Sa akin, meron ako masasalubong dito. Ayan. Ano yung bata? May bata dito. Balik ulit tayo. 22 degrees ngayon. Everyone. Grabe, oh. Sobrang init. Talampak. Yeah, di ba? Kaya lang. Dito tayo sa ating bago kamay fish and chips. Naramdaman niyo ba yun? Ay, naamoy mo. Naamoy niyo pala yun. Grabe. Nagutom ako na naman. Ayun, amoy fish and chips. Everyone. Dito lang yan yun. Pakita ka sa inyo. Saan? Ayun. Si Big Bite. Yeah. Si fish and chips. So, meron na rin ditong bukas na rin si Taro, everyone. Si Bubble. First train, everyone. I am here in Willisden Green for underground. Yeah. Priority seat. Oh, first seat. Dito tayo, everyone. Sa my favorite seat. And I'm here in Willisden Green. See you at Finchley, everyone. Bye at the moment. So, I am here already. And they use this room. So, that's it. Time check is 16:14. So, it comes as 6:40. And there is a early bird here. Okay. Everyone, see you later. Look at the rabbits. It's from Saturday to boom. Say hi. Hi. Since Saturday up today. Up today. Oh. Yeah, so very quiet today. That's why. Yeah. Adios. Bye. Hindi ko nasagot yung ano niya. Yung sinabi niya, bye Charita. Bye Charito. And then, very quiet no? Sino? Ano sabi? Wait. Wait. No. Ayun, everyone. Dito lang kami. Ha? Wa?
Parang hindi
Oh.
naman sira.
Oh. Eh, ba't iniwan dun? This one, this is the situation here for Monday, everyone. Gabi na, pero maliwanag pa. At walang tao. Walang tao. Very quiet. 8:30 na, sis. It's almost 8:30. We late today.
Because
Yeah. And that's it at the moment. See you there at Algate Station. Bye at the moment. Good night, everyone. Kain muna tayo. God bless and I love you all. Kakarating lang everyone, grabe. Tagal Lunes kasi. Busy kami pag Monday. Kaya ayun. Kakauwi lang. Ba't kailangan kumain dahil iinom ng medicine, everyone. So, after here, good night, God bless, and I love you all. Meron ako ng meeting dito. May meeting siya. Living Mana.
Because we can have a normal Sunday, supposed to be on Sunday because of